Microsoft Edge is the best web browser that I have ever used because it offers a smooth browsing experience, an interactive interface, and built-in AI tool. However, some users hastily wipe out their search history from the Edge browser and find it extremely difficult to restore the deleted history on the Edge browser. If you are one of such lucky individuals, then you have clicked on the right video. I will tell you an easy way to recover your deleted history on the Microsoft Edge browser. So without any unnecessary delays, let's get started. Like most internet users, I used to think that the deletion of search history was permanent and nothing could be done to restore it on the Edge browser. Until one day, I accidentally wiped out all my search history, including crucial ones, from my Microsoft Edge browser. Along trial and errors, I stumbled upon a method that helped me to recover my deleted history on my Edge browser. Now, I'm going to explain how I managed to restore my deleted internet history on my Edge browser. You can use the Windows System Restore to get back your deleted history on the Edge browser. It will restore your PC before the deletion of your search history. But before you do that, make sure you have saved your unsaved data and closed running applications on your PC. Once you have made all the preparations, follow the steps which I am going to explain in this video. First, press the Windows R key and type RSTRUI. Then press the enter button. Now, a new window will emerge on your PC's screen. Click on the next button. After this, click on the restore point and select next. Finally, confirm your restore point by selecting the drive and clicking the finish button. Doing this will automatically restart your PC. Wait until the restart process is over, then check your Edge browser to view your recovered history. Keep in mind that this method will not work if you have not set the system restore point on your PC. In case you don't know how to set up a system restore point on your PC, then worry not. I will tell you how you can create a backup of your Edge browser history on your PC. You can set the system restore point by following the below mentioned steps. First, click on the PC's search bar and type create restore point. Then press enter to open system properties. Next, select your C drive and click on the configure button. With this, a new window will pop up on your PC's screen. Now, click on the slider besides max usage and drag it from left to right side. Doing this will create a disk space to set up restore point on your selected drive. Then turn on system protection and click on the OK button. After that, click on the create button and type the name of your restore point. Finally, select create again, click on OK and your system restore point will be set. However, bear in mind, if you create the system restore point after the unfortunate deletion, then it will not recover the deleted search history on the Microsoft Edge. Losing your search history on the Edge browser can be a horrible experience. In most cases, the user does not know any method to restore deleted history on his or her Edge browser. But if you watch the video, then I'm sure you will know how to recover your deleted history. If you like this information, then drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor. See you in the next video.